What's up, everyone? Today we've got one of the most unbelievable fishing stories of the year for you. Two kids, a tiny pond, and some massive fish. How did they do it? Stick around because this is one fishing adventure you won't want to miss. Join me as I challenge myself to catch the biggest fish possible in this tiny pond with two kids by my side. Welcome to this small pond that's about to become the stage for an incredible fishing adventure. I'm here with two kids, Timmy and Emma, who are super excited to see what this pond has in store for us. You know, most people believe that small ponds like this one are only good for catching small fish. In fact, many people think it's almost impossible to catch anything of decent size in a tiny body of water like this. I've heard people say that the fish in small ponds are all stunted and small because they don't have enough room to grow. Maybe that's true in some cases, but I've always thought that with the right tackle, bait, and techniques, you can catch some real whoppers, even in the smallest of ponds. Emma and Timmy here are pretty skeptical, but I'm determined to prove them wrong. Emma thinks it's going to be a total waste of time, and Timmy is convinced we'll only catch a few tiny guppies. I've been fishing in this pond before, and I know there are some big ones lurking beneath the surface. The question is, can we catch them? Today we're going to find out. The kids are getting ready and I can see the excitement building up. Timmy's picking out the perfect bait, and Emma's setting up her rod like a pro. You can sense the anticipation in the air. We're all wondering what we're going to catch, and if our expectations are going to be met. I love this part of fishing, the thrill of the unknown. Emma's got her hook baited with a juicy worm, and Timmy's going for a shiny lure. They're both chomping at the bit to get started. Okay kids, it's time to cast your lines and see what this pond has in store for us. The wait begins. The lines are in the water, and we're waiting for that big catch. And then, suddenly, Emma's rod starts bending. She's got a bite. Oh my, this could be it. Emma's fighting to reel it in, and Timmy's cheering her on. This is it, the moment of truth. Emma's finally landed it, and it's a beauty. This fish is huge. We can't believe our eyes. The kids are screaming with excitement, and I'm beaming with pride. This is what makes fishing so amazing. The thrill of the catch, the rush of adrenaline, and the sense of accomplishment when you land a big one. The kids are on cloud 9, and I'm grinning from ear to ear. What an incredible experience this has been. Catching huge fish in a small pond is definitely possible, and these two kids are living proof. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own fishing experiences and subscribe to my channel for more exciting adventures. Settings.